What's up? Welcome back to another video and a view at the Huck's World. And today, people, yes, the weekend is here. I got you, Adrian. I got you, Jonathan. I got you, Jackie. I got you, Jan. I got everybody, all right? Now, this watch face, yes, it is. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. But I got to ask a favor of you all. If you can share this out on social media of any sort, that would be greatly appreciated. With that being said, let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Tech FB02. I like this one. The developer really does a great job on the creation and designs of his watch faces. Not bad at all. Now, this is a casual dress down watch face. I don't know what you guys got planned for the weekend, but I think this just might tie in at least toward the end of the day, possibly, right? Now, I like the way this watch face look in the AOD mode. It's pretty much going to be dimmed down. And also, once it's on, you're going to get an analog look. I like the uniqueness of the font of the number that's going around the bezel of the watch. Also, you're going to get your battery percentage over here. You're going to get the day of the week. You're also going to get your date as well. And down at the bottom, you're going to get your heart rate information to the left in red. And in white, you're going to get your step info. So if you're going to be working out, this watch face has your back. Now, if you look at the hands, very stylish. You cannot see the uniqueness in full and how good these hands look until you download this watch face. Remember, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. But I like the overall design. I like the background. And I like the fact that it has a taste of elegance, especially with this smooth second hand that's creeping, well, cruising around the bezel of the watch. Now, you can customize the color theme of the watch face by double tapping. And you can cycle through some of the awesome colors that you're going to get with this watch face when you download. This is not bad at all for a free watch face. Now remember, I don't know how long it's going to be free, so you got to download ASAP. And it is interactive, so if I tap on the percentage, and if I tap on the date, it'll pull up the calendar. I can set an event. Same thing if I tap on, of course, my steps. I get my step info, calories burned, all my step status that I want is right here. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below because you know I want to know, is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that ends round one of Triple Play Saturday. Enjoy, have fun with family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.